Well, we brought up our Christmas lights. We got 2 boxes of string lights. Our inflatable snowman, penguin, Santa, and an inflatable tree, and all that stuff. But we have one slight. It is raining outside.
Yes, it is.
And you also notice something's missing out here. But first things first, the most important part. Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
And if anybody remember, a week ago we had, well, how many inches of snow was it, Angie? 10?
10 inches of snow.
Well, where is it?
It's all gone.
Well, there's some there, some over there, and some over there. The main part is our patio is free from snow. That makes it easier for our decorations to put up that I've been talking about a few videos back. Of course, we're going to do those decorations on Saturday. I guess the weather's going to be favorable for that, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And we're going to try to survive Black Friday tomorrow morning. We're going to just do the morning session. That's where the chaos really is at, so...
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yeah, so hope everybody has a safe Black Friday. The smart ones usually stay home and wait till a couple days after, but we're going to brave it as early as 6 a.m. I think it is.
Yes.
And that, so also another thing is we are about 4 more subscribers away from a big 5-0. So that's when Angie does a vlog by herself, right?
Yes.
What are you going to plan to do by yourself?
I have no idea yet.
It's going to be very interesting. So Angie's going to close it out.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
And we'll see you guys again tomorrow for Black Friday. Yay!